Chili con carne, chili con carne, chili con carne. Call it what you want, but it is the perfect dish for those cold winter nights. And this easy version is just loaded with hidden seasonal veggies, making it not just delicious, but it's going to be nutritious too.
Yeah, here to show us how to cook it is Melinda Essie, and Melinda's from Sydney Markets. Hello, Melinda.
Hello, how are you?
So you've got something bubbling away in the pan already.
I have. I've made a start. We've got our onions and our beef in here, beef mince. So super simple, just in a bit of olive oil for a few minutes. What I'm going to do now is put in the smuggler aspect of our dish. So I've very finely diced some red peppers. I've got some shredded zucchini. Really beautiful.
And we can really load
right
this up with veggies, can't we?
You absolutely can. And look, if you don't have these veggies, some shredded carrot could go in.
Okay.
They're all different kinds, like whatever you have, whatever you want to pop in there, just make sure it's really nice and fine.
And so you're calling them smuggler because we're trying to get veggies into the kids. Fresh produce is important. So cut them up super fine so they don't notice.
Super fine, because once it cooks down, they're not going to be able to see them.
Okay.
And it's really important to get our kids eating more veggies. They don't eat enough at the moment.
Yeah.
So we're trying to promote lifelong kind of eating, healthy eating habit.
What about the sauce as we get the flavours going? What's happening with the sauce?
Once we've got our veggies in there, we let them cook down a bit. Then we're going in with our tin tomatoes, so nice and easy. Some beautiful romas that I've cut up.
Now you're doing those a little larger because we reckon we can get away with larger bits of tomato,
Absolutely,
right?
and they're going to actually create our sauce. And we've also got some lovely beef stock, so that goes in.
Okay.
And basically, we let that simmer away for about 20 minutes, so you can walk away and do something else.
Would you put the lid on?
No, actually, not with this one, because we want it to, with all the juices, we want it to reduce a bit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great.
So the very last step, after that's been going for about 20 minutes, we throw in our kidney beans.
Not before?
Not before.
Okay.
And so we'll pop the kidney beans in, and we'll give that 10 more minutes, and we're done.
And that's just to heat it through because they don't really need cooking at all,
They do not need cooking. What I would say about the kidney beans, just make sure you rinse them really well if you're using them out of the tin.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Okay. And more seasonal produce in there as well? Or that's it? That's stacked,
the
that's locked and loaded.
version.
Yes,
Okay, look at that. How long are we cooking that for?
So this has been on the stove for about 30 minutes.
Okay, so 20, then the beans, and then 10 more.
Yeah, exactly. So we end up with this fantastic, and you can see the veggies have really kind of melted into each other, so not just
Kids will never know.
Now, to serve it, you're also suggesting some more fresh produce for the serving, which is?
Avocados, really fantastic in season right now. A squeeze of lime juice. Acid actually, lifts everything. Bit of coriander. Herbs are the greatest thing. They elevate every dish. So then when you pop that on the table like that, who can resist with all of that colour?
I can't, but I think we've got more work to do.
That's just an entree size, right?
It is.
Because like when I'm serving chili con, that's kind of like taking...
Kylie would eat that in the car with a set of red lights.
And the yogurt, I don't know if you mentioned the yogurt. The yogurt is really terrific.
Yes, and natural yogurt.
Now for the parents watching, and there are plenty, some good ways, interesting ways to get the kids to eat more fresh produce, right? That's the solution.
We eat with our eyes, so colour is really important, but also size. Like, look at these fantastic little missile apples. Great size for kids. They're not going to eat a really big apple and have some left over, take one bite, done. These are crispy, they're sweet, absolute winners.
And they're in season at the moment.
They are.
Can we move on to this beautiful slice? This is an apple and coconut slice. Have you used these apples in this?
I actually used the Granny Smith.
The Granny Smith in this. Tell us about this slice.
This is super easy. You make the base, no beaters or anything required. So it's a bit of flour, coconut, sugar and butter. Mix it up. Pop it in your pan, press it into the pan, bake it for about 12 minutes. We're cooking our apples and cinnamon in the microwave. I didn't peel the apples because the nutrition stays in the apple. If you actually, don't peel your fruit and veggies unless you really have to.
Pop that on top of the base.
And basically the top is coconut, a couple of eggs and a bit of sugar. Bake it for 20 minutes.
Can I taste this?
You absolutely can.
Looks amazing. Yum. And really
Fresh
easy.
for kids, fresh for Larry.
And especially like winter kicks in this weekend.
Yes.
So, I mean, that's just such a great winter dish. Thank you so much, Linda. You can find the full recipes, both of them, over on our website. And for more great ideas, head over to the Fresh for Kids website, with some great tips about how to get fresh produce into our
I've got
kids.
to quickly eat this before the crew gets hold of it. That's yummy. Thank you.